Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 17T and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi. And secondly, you need to be logged into your Google account to be actually able to download something from Play Store. So you can either log in after entering the Play Store if you want to do it on your own. And if you're not sure how to do it, I recommend checking our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So we can just guide you through all of the necessary steps. All right, so we've got the internet connection. I am currently logged in, so we can simply open the Play Store. I'm opening it for the very first time since login, so let me just go through those sections. Let me use my password. So I will enter it and I'll come back in a sec. All right, so here we've got our Google Play Store, and all we need to do now is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. Then go to Manage Apps and Device. And here we've got the section updates available, so simply tap on it. And as you can see, this is the full list of all updates pending. And basically it depends what you want to do here, because you can either tap on update all and your device will download all of them and update all, or you can simply go through the list and choose the specific app that you want to update. So I'll pick maybe Contacts, maybe Gboard, Google, and maybe Gemini. And as you can see, your device will immediately start downloading the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.